500,000.
Now give back to.
You fit do am alone. Now how much you go come collect? Clear all the compound.
This one coconut, madam.
Yes.
How do you like? That's your name. No, to that one.
Ọmọ yẹn sọ pé tó máa ti ń kílẹ̀ gbogbo ojú yìí bàjẹ́ kó máa dump gbogbo ẹ̀ sínú ẹ̀ so that a lè máa fill up. So clearing tá a bá kéré máa tó inú ẹ̀ ló yẹ ká máa lò. So that space ló wù láti a lè ṣe dáadáa.
Talk better, talk, John.
500,000.
Now give back to.
Go remove all these things. Go remove them.
After back and forth, they've decided to start the work. So for today, this is what we will be doing. We don't know how many days it's going to take them yet, but it's a progress and the work has started now. They are only going to be cutting down all of the trees, the palm trees and all. We find another set of people that will come around and help us to clear whatever things they have done. So this is where we are for now. We received some fish yesterday. We were waiting before to clear the whole of the compound before starting work, but our home plan is different from what God has in store for us. So as we were walking around yesterday, we received some fresh fish from customers and we have them. They are not much yet, but we have them inside the water. This was brought yesterday and this one was brought this morning. So we are not stopping, we are continuing our work. We will do some clearing here. After we are done, we will go to the oven, we'll clear the oven and we'll start our work properly. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.